everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Looking for a quick and flavorful dish that saves time and also tastes delicious? Well, here is a perfect recipe for you. We're going to make this delicious lemon upma. This is a very popular dish in Andhra and it's made with rice rava. Now this rava is quite easily available in supermarkets these days. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, I'm taking 1 cup of rice rava. Now this particular rava is quite easily available in supermarkets these days. Dry roast this rava on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's slightly golden and aromatic, turn off the stove and transfer it to a plate. Now to a pan, pour 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice rava. So the proportion is 1:2. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of oil. Adding oil at this stage helps keep the rava from sticking and gives it a nice fluffy texture once cooked. Once the water starts to boil, slowly add the roasted rava rice while stirring continuously. Stir well to avoid lumps, then cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you'll see that the water is fully absorbed and the rice rava has cooked perfectly. So you can see it looks nice and soft and it's fluffy as well. So here is a small tip for you. Adding oil to the boiling water ensures that the rice rava turns out nice and dry, which is perfect for the lemon upma. Next, squeeze the juice of 2 lemons and add it to the cooked rice rava. Mix thoroughly so the tangy lemon juice blends evenly. Cover the pan and let it rest for a few minutes. This helps to absorb all the flavors beautifully. Now for tempering, to a small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Next, add 1 tablespoon of peanuts. You can add more peanuts if you like for that extra crunch. Followed by 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon urud dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the mustard seed starts spluttering, add 3 green chilies slit, 2 dried red chilies cut and fresh curry leaves. Once this aromatic tempering is ready, pour it over the rice rava mixture and give everything a final good mix. There you go, here is your instant lemon rice rava upma that's ready to be served. This dish is not only easy to make but incredibly tasty. You can enjoy this as is or serve it with some nice potato fry or papad by the side. Either way, it's a winner. A perfect blend of tangy, spicy and comforting flavors in every bite. This also makes for a wonderful lunchbox recipe. So you can see it's a very simple and easy to make tiffin. You can also pack it for your lunch boxes. You can enjoy it as is like how I did, or you can also have it with some nice potato fry or papad by the side. So do give it a try, share it with your family and friends and enjoy. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.